Musser, CEO of the Von Musser Real Estate Group, and I'd like to welcome you back to the 8th segment of our Short Sale Success Series. And today we're going to talk about the actual approval letter and what to look for and really why you need to hire a professional. So we're going to talk about promissory notes and seller contributions mainly at this point. Now, what we're seeing more and more, and this again is why it's critical that you do not procrastinate and also why you hire a professional. Because the bank is doing one thing and one thing only during the short sale process. They're trying to figure out if they will make more money by accepting a short sale than if they let it go to foreclosure. And they are very skilled at finding ways to try and get sellers to contribute money. They do that in the form of either a promissory note, which is a note that they say, okay, we'll accept the deal, but we want a $10,000 promissory note which you agree to pay back the bank over the course of maybe 10 years. The other part is what's called a seller contribution. Sometimes the banks are going to go ahead and ask for, we want $10,000 from the seller to accept the deal. And again, if you have an agent who is not familiar with these processes and know how to get around them, that's pretty common. So it's critical that the person that you decide to work with understands promissory notes and seller contributions and has the solutions and alternatives to give the bank and show them ways to make more money by not forcing the seller to do a seller contribution. And again, everything in this market can change, but so far we're having a very great success rate at getting sellers out of these short sales without a seller contribution or promissory note. Other agents and other homeowners I talk to that are working with new agents that have only done 1 or 2 short sales, not so much. They're still, unfortunately, they see an approval letter and they get all excited because, wow, look, I got an approval, but it might have a $5,000 or $10,000 promissory note request for the seller. What we're seeing is that if a seller is have to do a short sale, they don't have money. That's why they're falling behind. So the best chance to go ahead and get that approved is to know how to negotiate with the bank. And what's unique about us is our team was actually trained by a bank insider. In fact, the bank insider was the #1 loss mitigator for one of the major banks in this country, and he taught our staff and our team what the banks are really doing, how they work behind the scenes, and that insight is critical in knowing what the banks will and will not accept. So we know when to call their bluff, and most agents don't have that experience to pull from. So right now, take a second. For those of you that are watching this video, give us a call and let's schedule a time to discuss your situation and find the best way to go help you through a tough situation. Thanks so much for watching this segment, and you have yourself a fantastic day.